a snake!
Have you ever watched a Pixar or Disney movie before? And have you ever asked yourself this question? How does the characters feel so alive? The characters don't just move, they think, they breathe, they feel real. It's not because Disney has a better software, it's something much deeper. Once you understand this, you will never look at 3D animation the same way again. In this video, I'm going to break down how Disney actually creates 3D animation, not the surface level stuff, but the real process behind the magic. We are going to look at the principles, workflow, and mindset that turn their simple 3D models into believable characters. And yes, you can apply this to your own 3D work. There's one rule Disney follows before a single frame is animated, and it's the reason their movie feels timeless. Here's the first thing most people get wrong. Disney doesn't start with animation. They don't even start with models. They don't even start with rigs. They start with story. Before a character moves, they already know who that character is, what they want the character to do, how the character will be feeling in every scene. So they use the 3D software as just a tool, but the real tool they use, or the real product, is the emotions. Disney films forge emotional connections by tapping into universal human experiences like loss, love, and growth, making viewers feel seen and understood. They grieve over a parent's death or family rejection, and that mirrors everyday pain. And this pulls audiences into the scene, and people want to root for underdogs who grow just like them. Their stories revolve around timeless ideas, bravery against odds, unbreakable family bonds, or finding your place in the world, as in Frozen, sisterly love. This setup sparks empathy across ages and cultures, turning movies into shared emotional touchstones. That notwithstanding, Disney also uses fun songs like Let It Go, which make you feel happy or excited right away, and they also stick into your brain and bring back good feelings. This part surprises most beginners. Disney animators don't start with detail. They begin with very simple shapes, spheres, cubes, and cylinders. Why? Because great animation isn't about detail, it's about clear movement and readable poses. If the emotion works with a stick figure, it will work with a fully rendered character. That is why Disney animations feel so clear even without a dialogue. Now, this is where the magic really starts. Disney follows something called the 12 principles of animation. Principles like squash and stretch, anticipation, follow through, timing and spacing, and many more. These principles are why a jump feels heavy, a smile feels warm, and a fall feels painful. Without these principles, even the best looking model feels lifeless. Here is a huge mindset shift. Disney animators don't think, how does this character move? They think, how does this character perform? Disney focuses on acting and emotion, so the audience watches a character's inner life, not just limbs moving around. In other words, animators think like actors first and technicians second. Performance is about choices, intention, and emotion. Movement is just something changing position over time. A character can walk across the screen with perfect fixes and still feel dead if there is no clear thought or motivation behind each pose. Disney's core idea is that every motion must come from what the character is thinking and feeling in the exact moment. Disney animators treat the character as a living actor who thinks before acting. You see this in small pauses where a character registers information, changes their mind, or struggles internally before they move. The eyes and brows lead, then the head and the body follow, so the audience can read the thought process a split second before the action happens. Instead of constant wiggly motion, Disney favors a few strong, readable poses that communicate the character's subjective and emotion. The body line, silhouette, and gesture are designed so that if you freeze the frame, you can still tell what the character is feeling and trying to do. The transition between these poses are then shaped to support the acting choice, not to show off smooth motion for its own sake. Disney performances feel rich because each character moves in a way that fits their personality, status, and emotion. A nervous character might fidget and avoid eye contact. A proud one uses straight lines, lifted chest, and controlled economical emotion. Every blink, every pause, Every gesture is intentional. They animate thought first, then emotion. That is why their characters feel like actors, not puppets. Remember that one rule I mentioned earlier? Here it is. Disney animates what the character is thinking, not what the character is doing. Movement is a result of thought. That's the secret. That is why the animation still holds up decades later, even with older technology. Software changes, tool changes, but strong animation principles don't. And here's the exciting part. You don't need Disney's budget or Disney's pipeline to apply this. There's a simple way to train your eye and workflow so your animation instantly feels more professional. And I'll be breaking that down in my next video. If this helped you understand animation on a deeper level, please subscribe.